Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix high RAM and memory usage in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. If your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer is using a high amount of RAM, there are several methods you can use to reduce memory usage and improve your PC's performance. First, press the Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard. Type sysdm.cpl and click OK. This will open the System Properties window. Go to the Advanced tab, then under Performance, click Settings. Here you can choose Adjust for Best Performance, but this will make your Windows interface look very basic. Instead, you can enable only the recommended visual options and disable the rest to create a balance between good appearance and better performance. After that, click Apply and then OK. This helps Windows use less RAM for visual effects and can reduce memory usage. Next, press Windows plus R again. Type msconfig and click OK. This will open the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab and check Hide All Microsoft Services. Now you'll see only third-party services. You can disable services that you don't need. For example, if you don't need Adobe Acrobat Auto Update service, you can uncheck it. You can also disable most auto update services that you don't use. However, if you use a printer, don't disable printer-related services. Also, don't disable your graphics card services or RGB lighting software if you use them. After selecting the services you want to disable, click Apply. Now go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. You can also open Task Manager manually. In Startup Apps, sort the list by status. Right-click on the enabled startup apps that you don't need and click Disable. Disabling startup apps won't cause any problems because you can always open them manually whenever you need them. After that, return to the System Configuration window, click OK, and choose Exit Without Restart. Now open the Settings app. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. You'll see a list of all the installed applications. Click the three dots next to an app. If you see an Advanced Options button, click on it. Not every app supports this option, so you'll need to check them one by one. For example, apps like Mail and Calendar have advanced options. Under Background App Permissions, choose Power Optimized or Never to stop the app from running in the background. Repeat this for every app that supports advanced options. Next, press Windows plus R again. Type services.msc and press OK. This opens the Services window. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. If you aren't using network file transfers, you can disable this service. Right-click on it, select Properties, change Startup Type to Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Keep in mind that this may also disable automatic Windows updates, although you can still update Windows manually. Next, find the Sysmain service. Normally, it's better to leave Sysmain enabled because it preloads frequently used apps to improve performance. However, if you're experiencing high RAM or CPU usage, you can disable it. Right-click Sysmain, open Properties, set the startup type to Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Some applications may open a little slower afterward, but your overall system performance may improve. If you're using Google Chrome, open the browser. Click the three-dot menu, then go to Settings. Open the Performance section. Enable Memory Saver. This suspends inactive tabs and reduces RAM usage. You can also disable preload pages. This may make browsing slightly slower, but it can lower memory consumption. Now go to the System section. Turn off Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed. Then close Chrome. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.